Now, what has happened as a result of it is that the need of the industries have become very different from what is being taught in a business school. Okay, so two-sided problem create over here, sir. Okay, on one side, the industry has a demand for particular kind of skills, for particular kind of jobs, and they are willing to pay anything for it. Why? Because these are the technologically forward roles. I'm talking about roles like digital first brand building, growth marketing, product management, e-commerce. I used to run e-commerce for HUL. I was the general manager for the business. हमें लोग ही नहीं मिलते थे, right? आप किसी भी tier 2 B school में जाइए देश में, top 10-12 के बाद, the median job is a relationship manager in a bank.
So if you can give me an idea that, what sort of curriculum you have, which is actually helping students to get an MBA degree or PGDM or PGM, whatever, but at the same time become employable also, so that, you can be job ready from day one.
Sure. These fields, we arguably have the deepest education in the country, which is why most of India's leading companies use our education for their employees. So So today, the Altera Institute is knowledge partners to Amazon in the country. We are the only knowledge partners to Amazon. So we have 100% curriculum that's been built by leading industries. And a lot of these companies, by the way, partner us in designing this curriculum. So we have companies like HUL, Mamaearth, Millennial Lintus Group. They've actively partnered us in creating this curriculum. Okay, before I took the CAT, I wanted to land in these top 6, 8, 10 institutes, but वो नहीं हो रहा है. I'm now going to figure out and crack the best option that I have right now that will help me open the doors to a long-term career. Because आप ये सब कर क्यों रहे हो? आप ये सब कुछ कर रहे हो to build a great career. आपका objective B school is a path to a great career.
True that.
Right? आप B school 2 साल 1 साल ही रहोगे. Career आप 30 साल करोगे. It is a path.
Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. I have Karan sir with me. By the way, quick introduction. Karan sir is an alumni of FMS. By the way, he has spent around about 14 years in one of the most aspirational FMCG company in the country, which is HUL. And currently he is an educator, he is a mentor, he is an entrepreneur also. And sir, I'm going to ask you some tough questions on the MBA front because you've been there, you have done your MBA from one of the best B schools in the country. I would love to understand how is the MBA landscape currently? Do you think that there are certain problems with the MBA or, it should be addressed by now? Looking at the current market or the current landscape of the MBA.
Sure. Ketan sir, first of all, thank you so much for having me here.
Pleasure is all mine, sir. Thank you.
I'm a big fan of your content and I watch it
so much, sir.
Very often to track what is happening in the MBA world.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you for educating everybody. Yeah. Coming really closely to your question, if you look at the history of MBA, the MBA was formed in the early 1900s to bridge the gap. उस time पे industrial revolution हुआ था. And you needed a bunch of managers to manage a large number of workers who used to work on the factory line. तो आपके लिए उसके लिए आपने एक पूरा का पूरा नया field of study बनाया MBA. अब इतने सालों में the industries continuously change, right? So the MBA education also needs to continuously evolve. Usually academia is not as nimble as the industry.
True.
So generally 3 से 5 साल का difference रहता है between what is taught in a business school, in a MBA, and what are the industry demands, right? And the B schools figure out different ways of, bridging that gap. आप industry से लोग लाते हो, पढ़ाते हो, etc. I can tell you for sure, this gap today is not 3 to 4 years or 3 to 5 years. It is probably close to a decade.
Okay.
And there are 2 big reasons for it. First of all, I think the pace at which internet and technology has picked up, is just been profound in the last few years. And it only got accelerated with COVID. Right? Adoption of technology got accelerated with COVID. So 2-3 साल extra वहाँ पे हो गया.
Right.
And ऊपर से now there are new technologies like Gen AI, etc. And 2-1 साल आप लगा लो वहाँ पे add हो गया. So today this gap, this chasm is about a decade long. Now what has happened as a result of it is that the need of the industries have become very different from what is being taught in a business school. Okay, so two-sided problem create over here, sir. Okay, on one side, the industry has a demand for particular kind of skills, for particular kind of jobs, and they are willing to pay anything for it. Why? Because these are the technologically forward roles. I'm talking about roles like digital first brand building, growth marketing, product management, e-commerce. I used to run e-commerce for HUL. I was the general manager for the business. हमें लोग ही नहीं मिलते थे. Okay. And imagine because we could not find any skilled talent. And remember as HUL, we were willing to hire people from top IIMs. We had all the budgets, right? Whereas on the other side, there are kids who are struggling to get good jobs. So imagine, this is such a demand-supply mismatch, right? So the truth is that there is still a lot of stuff that is relevant in MBA. So there are some things that don't go out of fashion. आपकी management accounting change नहीं होगी.
Absolutely.
आपकी economics change नहीं होगी.
Right.
ठीक है? Human behavior change नहीं होगा. और OB, which is organizational behavior, okay, वो change नहीं होगा. But a lot of other things have changed. So if you put a gun to my head and ask me to put a percentage, I would say probably 1/3 of the MBA that I learned is relevant today. The other 2/3 is totally changed. And I went to a decent B school. Matlab, so, you know,
It's one of the top BC, very modest.
I would argue that, you know, आप टॉप 10-12 के बाहर चले जाओ तो नीचे तो दिस नंबर वुड बी यू नो मे बी 10-20 relevant and the rest would not be so relevant for today. Yeah. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, definitely. Now, coming back to the same problem, right? So, let's say if somebody wants to do an MBA today, at the same time want to be an employable also. Because हम सुनते रहते हैं कि यार MBA किया लेकिन जॉब नहीं मिला, right? But वो मुझे लगता है top 10, top 15 में वो सही नहीं है. जॉब मिल ही जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
So nowadays there are so many B schools, right? There are so many kids going for it, right? So हम सुनते रहते हैं कि जॉब नहीं मिलती है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So अगर employable होना है किसी को, what sort of curriculum they should be learning or consuming, you know, as far as the content is concerned?
Sure. I think that's a very good question. ठीक है. I think आप अगर MBA को पकड़ो, ठीक है. So there are 4 or 5 key disciplines, right? One, you would put this whole field on finance, right? And I would say finance basics have stayed the same. There are still a lot of in-depth stuff around finance that, you know, is not very democratized, right? Outside of the top B schools, up A, C, and limited ही other ऐसे B schools होंगे जो finance में बहुत deep होंगे. But वो वाला जो basic stuff around finance, I don't think that's changed a lot. The basic stuff around HROB, I don't think that's changed a lot. But the minute you move towards IT, supply chain,
analytics, right,
sales and marketing, you know, statistics and analytics होता था, applied statistics करके होता था हमारे यहाँ पे course. All of this has totally changed. Okay. Now, today, I would argue that you have better education on these subjects on the internet than you have on top B schools today in the country. And let me not say top, let me say, you know, in most B schools in the country, right? So if you are somebody who is learning or who is studying today, it is very, very, very important to supplement what you learn with the B school, in the B school, with some stuff that you learn online. Unfortunately, there is very little structured curriculum for it. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप 2-3 experts को follow करोगे and you'll try and piece together what they are saying into a coherent story and learning that you could take back to your education and hopefully to your employer later on, right? So I think it is just not easy. Because today everybody on the internet is an expert. You don't even know who to follow, who comes well credentialed. But you have to supplement what you learn in the B school with a lot of stuff there on the internet, taught by industry experts who are out there sharing their knowledge. But you have to do it in a very structured way, as well as with people who have proven credibility.
True that.
Yeah.
True that.
I think there's a saying which stuck with me, okay, which is that most people confuse celebrities for experts on the internet. Right? जो सबसे popular है does not mean कि वही सबसे ज़्यादा expert हो, right? And वो distinction कोई बच्चे के लिए करना जो अभी B school में पढ़ता है will be very difficult. So I think managing both of them or, you know, supplementing is the tough part there. Yeah.
Sir, you made a mention that, you know, when you were running HUL, right, that point in time, मतलब jobs हुआ करते थे, but job ready candidates नहीं मिला करते थे.
जी.
So what exactly was missing, sir? Can you highlight? Because मुझे लगता है आज भी वो relevant है.
Yeah.
आज भी बहुत सारे jobs हैं market में, but it is that वो employable बच्चे नहीं मिल पाते हैं.
Yeah.
या वो skill set नहीं होता है. Even I have gone through the same stuff.
Yeah.
Now when I wanted to recruit for my company, I could not see that particular talent जो एक startup को run कर सकता है. You know, that ecosystem वाला knowledge नहीं होता है.
Absolutely.
So can you make a mention about a couple of things जो missing थी उस time पे?
Sure. So first a clarification. I was running e-commerce in HUL.
E-commerce.
Okay. And before that, I used to run a brand called Surf Excel as the marketing director. I used to run the brand in India as the brand building person in the country, right? Sir, इनको ना 2 चीज में split करते हैं.
हाँ.
एक functional, एक behavioral.
Perfect.
ठीक है. First, let's jump to the functional side of things, and I'll try and be as recent, you know, as possible. I think everybody comes with some very basic fundamentals. So सबको पता है marketing में जी 6P होते हैं, ठीक है. सबको broadly पता है कि you know gross margin क्या होता है, ये सब क्या होता है. सबको ये सब broadly पता होता है, especially
9 10 पी आ गए सर अभी तो
Yeah.
अभी तो बढ़ गए
Yeah,
right.
yeah, especially in the offline sense of things.
हाँ.
Because remember, challenge क्या हुआ है? MBA बनी थी offline world के लिए.
Right. हाँ,
But
that's
very
right.
quickly the world has moved online, right? What people don't know is how do these digital business model works. Swiggy का मॉडल कैसे काम करता है,
Right.
Zomato का मॉडल कैसे काम
Right.
करता है, Amazon कैसे काम करता है, how does Instagram make money? Of course, through ads we all know, okay, but how does the process of acquisition happen? इसके economics कैसे रहते हैं, retention कैसे drive होता है, right? So there is this whole part on a thorough and nuanced understanding of digital business models, which I think is really low. सेकेंड इज चलो आपको वो समझ आ गया. ऑफलाइन वर्ल्ड में सबको पता था जी प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनाना है.
हाँ.
पहले आप कंज्यूमर रिसर्च करोगे, कोई प्रोटोटाइप कराओगे, कोई टाइप की टेस्टिंग करोगे, ब्लाइंड प्रोडक्ट टेस्टिंग सबने सुनी थी, राइट? सो यू हैड ऑल ऑफ दिस सिस्टम बाय व्हिच यू कुड डू बिल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स इन द ऑफलाइन वर्ल्ड. हाउ डू यू डू बिल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स इन द ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड? आप ऐप कैसे बनाते हो? How do you identify a problem? How do you build a MVP? How do you test it? How do you launch it? How do you iterate? Okay, so then there is this whole part on building digital products. चलो जी, आपने बना दिया. अब आप इसको scale कैसे करोगे? How will you acquire users? How will you acquire your first set of users, then retain them, and then make money in the process? Okay, so there is all of this part. अब ये सब कर रहे हो now. Everyone's interacting with things on their phone. There is tons and tons of data that is being created. Right, in the offline world, आपको पता नहीं था कौन कहाँ बैठा क्या कर रहा था.
Absolutely.
Right, you didn't have data for it. But today you have data for everything. अब इतना data generate हो रहा, how do you use it for data-driven decision making? Okay, so automatically the functional expectation on data understanding and analytics has also gone up very dramatically because now there's so much available and you need to use it for everyday decision making. So I think these four fundamental aspects, the expectations have become far, far higher, and this is not what is covered in a traditional MBA.
Right.
So even if you might go to a very good business school, but it is very highly likely that you don't have these skills.
Absolutely.
So हुआ क्या है अब? Clearly, two types of jobs have begun to emerge. मैं एक को bucket करूँगा what I would call say traditional jobs. These are jobs that were there in the offline world, were very aspirational in the offline world. But in the new age world, the supply for talent is much greater than the demand for these jobs. I'm talking about stuff like, say, offline sales, relationship management in a bank, right? आप किसी भी tier 2 B school में जाइए देश में, top 10-12 के बाद,
Right.
the median job is a relationship manager in a bank.
Truly agree.
It's
on
a good job.
Yeah.
Okay, but it is not the best job to do today.
Absolutely.
यहाँ पे there is a lot more supply and the jobs aren't growing that much, which means your growth here will be lesser. Whereas on the other end, there is this new age bunch of jobs like growth marketing, digital first brand building, product management, e-commerce में इतनी सारी jobs आ गई हैं. यहाँ पे talent ही नहीं है. So demand is much, much greater than supply, right? So that's, I think, the other stuff that is coming up. So, coming back to the point that I was asking. So for these kind of jobs, the digital first jobs, those 4-5 functional buckets that I mentioned are usually missing. That is the big gap, which when you're sitting on the other side of the table, you meet students and you realize that बहुत ही smart बच्चा है, but उसको ये सब नहीं आता है.
Right.
So you can't hire him for that job.
Absolutely.
Right? So I think that's, and I'm limiting my conversation to say, good quality business education. I'm not going to really poor quality business education because I think there the problem is fundamentally different. The problem is that even for the entry level jobs post MBA, which is say the 5, which will probably start at say 6-7 lakhs per annum. वहाँ के लिए भी basic skills नहीं है. So basic analytics, etc., which is a function of curriculum, pedagogy at the tail of the business schools in this country. So मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं अभी सिर्फ I'm talking about quality business education in the country. Yeah?
Fantastic. Very well explained, sir. Thanks for that. Now, so you are now a mentor, you are an educator also, you are an entrepreneur also. Now, you have given me a background. I would love to understand, rather I'm putting it this very straightforward, how you intend to solve this problem. Like, do you have any idea in your mind? Like, how do you do it?
Anji, thank you for asking that. In fact, a bunch of us about 2 years back got together to solve this problem. Okay. So a bunch of us industry folks, leaders got together to set up this institute called the Altera Institute. हम सब अलग-अलग companies में काम करते थे. हमें वो problem बहुत ही closely दिख रही थी. So today in the institute, the founding team got together. There are people from HUL, which is me, my co-founder Alek, both of us. You have people from Goldman Sachs, Bain and Company. GSK, EY Parthenon, a bunch of people from different backgrounds, finance, consulting, product management, FMCG, marketing, e-commerce. We all got together to set up this institute to bridge this wide gap that we were speaking about. And our mission is really clear, is to build the gold standard of, modern management education in the country. Right?
Okay.
We really want, and we are doing that in this institute called the Altera Institute. Our first cohort graduated recently, and the results were very, very good. They were very well received by the industry. And there is a reason for that, sir. At the institute, we built out the deepest education in the country on a few fields. Fields like e-commerce, growth marketing, brand building. These fields, we arguably have the deepest education in the country, which is why most of India's leading companies use our education for their employees. So So today, the Altera Institute is knowledge partners to Amazon in the country. We are the only knowledge partners to Amazon. Wow. So, we run education for people who power 60% of top line for Amazon. Unka education hum run karte hain. We are the knowledge partners for HUL in this country. Today, people like companies like ITC, Nestle, Asian Paints, GCPL, Colgate, Mamaearth, Bombay Shaving Company, and a lot more like these, Blinkit, they use our education for their employees, right? So you can imagine that we built out such deep education, and even they had a problem, which is how do you upskill existing employees, right? So we are the largest knowledge provider for some of these skills for all of these large companies. And through the institute, we are hoping to bridge this demand-supply gap and churn out the next set of business leaders for the digital first world. Yeah.
Perfect. So if you can give me an idea that, what sort of curriculum you have, which is actually helping students to get an MBA degree or PGDM or PGM, whatever, but at the same time become employable also, so that, you can be job ready from day one.
Sure.
What's your model, when it comes to this?
Sure. Sir, इसको ना 3 तरीके में तोड़ते हैं, ठीक है? And I think education is about these 3 fundamental pillars, which is what you teach, who teaches it,
exactly,
and how you teach.
Right.
Okay. What you teach is curriculum.
Right.
Who teaches it is mentors.
Right.
And how you teach is the pedagogy. Right.
Perfect.
So पहले आते हैं what you teach पे, right? Let me ask you a question. Okay. Marketing की आपने जब आप B school गए थे, आपने किस book से पढ़ा था?
Philip Kotler, right? आज भी बच्चे उसी से पढ़ रहे हैं. Same.
Okay. Can you take a wild guess which year that book was written in?
Maybe 40-50 years back.
Yeah, you're almost there. It was almost there.
Though I'm a finance guy, I still know marketing about that.
Yeah, it is 1967 if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
तो आप एक 56 साल पुरानी किताब से, it is still the management textbook that is being run. So clearly a lot of stuff that's being taught in B school is outdated. So first you have to change what is being taught. So at Altera Institute, we teach a 100% industry design curriculum. Every single framework, every single session, every single lecture is designed by an industry professional. And that is what is taught. So we have 100% curriculum that's been built by leading industries. And a lot of these companies, by the way, partner us in designing this curriculum. So we have companies like HUL, Mamaearth, Malenlo Lintus Group. They've actively partnered us in creating this curriculum as well. So I think one is what you teach, which is industry leading frameworks. So हमने क्या किया है? जो leading industry know-how and frameworks of these top companies है ना, उनको distill करके, that is what is taught to students while they are here, so that when they graduate, they hit the ground running. So that's the first part on what we teach. I think the second part is who teaches it, right? Let me ask you, sir. Okay, आप Bombay से हो. Okay, Bombay is the heart of cricket in the country. If you had to learn how to bat, would you learn it from, say, Rahul Dravid or Sachin Tendulkar or Harsha Bhogle?
Definitely Sachin.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Right? You will learn it from Sachin, Rahul, who are people who spent so many hours batting in the center. Oh, मतलब 200 test match खेल के बैठे होंगे.
Those who have actually done it.
Absolutely. Look, I love Harsha Bhogle. I think he's the best commentator. But I would not want to learn batting from him.
Absolutely.
तो हम business education खाली academician से क्यों सीखते हैं? Why don't we learn it from people who've been there, done that, right?
Right.
And that's our mission. Like, so our education is 100% industry taught. Every single session, every single sprint, even placement prep, CV prep भी करते हैं बच्चे. That is also mentored by somebody from the industry, and every kid has a industry mentor who's assigned. So that's the second part. The third part is how those things are taught, which is the pedagogy, right? Usually India के अंदर काफी theoretical pedagogy होती है, right? People read from books and then you take long exams where मतलब the joke used to be that you were scored by the weight of your answer sheet rather than the substance in your answer sheet, right? That we've changed. So we have a very application first pedagogy. So whatever students learn, they are expected to apply it. Almost 50% of our weightage for every single course comes from class projects and so on and so forth. Every term students build out their own business. So in the first term they build out a D2C brand of their own. तो लोग 6P की बात करते हैं, यहाँ पे हम बच्चों ने 6P बनवा के brand बनवा के launch करवाते हैं.
Hands-on learning.
Yeah, exactly. In the second term they build out a product MVP. So they actually build out Figma of a product that they envisage and they come up with, right? So that's the kind of pedagogy that we have, right? So everything is industry mentor taught. We teach them a really forward-facing curriculum, and we get them to apply it and kind of apply it on the job. And that is why a lot of leading industries and leading companies, trust us with hiring, and they come to our institute to hire our students. Yeah.
Perfect. I'm going to ask you one question, and that is for my students and for my audience.
Haan ji.
So, well said, and this concept is absolutely fantastic. 1 year MBA versus 2 years MBA. You get employable, immediately. You start making money. 1 साल में MBA हो जाता है. But बहुत सारे बच्चों को ना सर ये करना भी है. उनको मजा आता है कि मुझे कुछ प्रैक्टिकल सीखना है, मुझे वो बुकिश नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए. बट फॉर द फैक्ट ये जो अभी कंसेप्ट है, अभी वो मार्केट में आ रहा है, मे बी 10 साल के बाद ये बहुत ज़्यादा सर स्प्रेड आउट कर लेगा. बट नाउ इट्स नॉट ओनली स्टूडेंट्स सर, इवन फॉर द पेरेंट्स इट्स लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू काइंड ऑफ गेट इनटू दिस जोन. तो जो बच्चे हैं हमारे वो कहते हैं कि सर मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं ज्वाइन कर लूँगा. बट द थिंग इज दैट कि ये आगे कैसे वर्कआउट करेगा हमारे लिए, क्या कॉर्पोरेट एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, फिर 1 साल का MBA है, बिकॉज वो बाबा दब के ज़माने से चलते आ रहा है कि 2 साल का ही MBA वैल्यूएड होता है. सो हाउ डू यू सी दिस थिंग्स टर्निंग आउट इवेंचुअली, लाइक व्हाट यू वुड एडवाइस टू स्टूडेंट्स कि आपको इसको क्यों करना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस यू शुड हैव?
Sure. I'll tell you what I would have done if I was a student, if that helps, right?
Right.
Yeah. India में 90% to 95% of students do a MBA for better career prospects.
Absolutely right, sir.
You do it for a great placement. अब उसका रीजन आपका अलग अलग हो सकता है. कोई there could be an engineer जिसको करियर शिफ्ट चाहिए, उसको कोडिंग नहीं करना, उसको कुछ और करना है, राइट? बट प्लेसमेंट्स इज द सिंगल बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट ड्राइव्स और इज द नंबर वन मोटिवेटर फॉर पीपल टू डू अ जॉब, राइट? सो most of the people after they do a MBA they don't do any other degree. वो PhD नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? But what they do is they get to a job and then they work hard and then they keep their career progresses after that. So it's fair to say that MBA is a bridge to your dream career, right? If I was a student today, this would be my decision making framework, and I'll answer your 1 year question also, right? If I was getting into the top 12-15 B schools, no brainer hai. They have very high reputation.
Absolutely.
Their curriculum is good, teaching is great, but India's top companies trust them. वो वहाँ बच्चे लेने जाती हैं, and all of the top jobs, they will absolutely, they'll continue to do it. I am a product of one of them. Alec, who's the co-founder, went to IIM Ahmedabad. We are both products of great education, and we wouldn't have been where we are if it wasn't for our
Absolutely,
institutions.
sir. Right? Same here, sir.
But the minute you go slightly lower, then क्या हो जाता है ना सर, वहां पे जाके you then need to think कि मेरे को लाइफ में करना क्या है, right? What is the kind of career that I want? Am I happy with a relationship manager job in a bank? It's not a bad job, but मतलब I don't know too many people who get up every morning saying कि आज मैं 5 credit card बेचूंगा, या आज मैं ये नए smartly structured financial product बेचूंगा HNIs को, right? That's not. Or would you want to do, say, some other kind of work, which is, say, I will want to build apps for, say, India's leading companies, or I will want to design B2B applications, or I want to build growth strategy for digital brands. The choice is yours. आपको किस type का career चाहिए? Once you're clear आपको किस type का career चाहिए, or directionally also, you don't need to exactly have then you have to figure out which B school can help you get there. Right? Which B school will help you maximize the probability of getting there, right? Guarantee तो किसी की भी नहीं है, ठीक है? But even if you go to IIM Ahmedabad, everybody goes there saying मेरे को consulting job चाहिए, but the truth is maybe 100-120 students go to consulting firms, maybe 150 go to consulting firms out of the 400-450 intake that they have, right?
True.
So the probability is about 33-40% is what the probability even there is, right? So probability आपको maximize करना है अपना to land the career that you want.
True.
The minute you look outside those 12-15, that is what should drive your decision.
Right.
Okay. And then whether it is a 2-year MBA or a 1-year MBA becomes immaterial. Okay. In my opinion, right? If you're a working professional, then obviously you have an opportunity cost. आपने
Yes.
MBA करने के लिए you've given up on something. You were already earning some money. Maybe it was 6, 7, 8 lakhs, whatever you were earning. You're giving up on it. 2 years का opportunity cost 16 lakh, 1 साल का opportunity cost 8 lakh, right? So you want to minimize your opportunity cost and you want to maximize where you end up getting to, right? So that's that. If you are a fresher, I can still understand doing a 2-year MBA. You would say,
हाँ.
okay, you know what? I need some more exposure. मेरे को
Investment
एक
भी करना है,
internship
2
भी
साल.
करनी है,
Right,
ठीक है?
right,
Ideally, that will also add to what I know.
हाँ.
It will add to my, you know, because you don't have that much to show for it. But if you're a working professional, 1-year MBA makes absolute bang on sense. If you're a fresher who's very confident and you're very clear, I want just a career out of it, and you're
Perfect.
confident about it, 1 year works. Otherwise, the 2-year MBA works here. Globally, by the way, there is a direction towards 1-year MBA.
Yes.
People do not want to spend 2 years doing a MBA because it is a bridge to a career in most countries, right?
Right.
आप थोड़ा US वर्स जाओगे, वहाँ पे थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस लोग ज्यादा वैल्यू करते हैं because generally they have, you know,
उधर
higher
MBA
incomes.
होता ही सर 4-5 साल के वर्क एक्स के बाद होता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो it's not just a job but also that they value. But in India, and the minute you go to developing markets, their placements, quality of careers, that is the biggest driver of decision making. And in which case, I think outside of the top 12, 15 institutes, that should be the variable and not so much a 1 year or a 2 year. Yeah.
So you have to take a call, guys. You know, तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा what sort of personality you have. Are you okay with 2 years of MBA? You know, ज़्यादा grinding चाहिए, ज़्यादा time देना है आपको. And I think as sir said, if you're smart enough, get on to 1 year का MBA, and एक साल में यार employable हो जाओ.
And if you're a working professional, then the 1 year absolutely makes a lot of sense.
Done है फिर तो. Sir, last question for the day. अभी CAT हो चुका है ना? बच्चों को थोड़ा बहुत रिजल्ट का भी अभी आइडिया लग चुका है. You worked with HL for like 14 years.
जी सर.
Now you are educator, mentor, and entrepreneur. Like I left IB, investment banking, and I got into education. So what you would advise to them? Because कुछ बच्चे खुश हैं, कुछ बच्चों को लगा कि नहीं यार, this is the end of life. अभी CAT खराब हो गया, you know, बाकी exams खराब हो गए. What you would advise them? Like how they should be taking life from now on? Because you have an experience.
Yeah. Sir, आपको I don't know, Ketan sir, if you remember or not, like पहले FMS का अलग एग्जाम होता था. FMS was not a part of CAT.
Okay.
So the person you're talking about, the guy who had a bad CAT and got dejected was me. I did not have any of my dream calls, you know, after my CAT.
Seriously.
Thank God I did well in FMS and ZAT and पहले IFT का भी अलग एग्जाम होता था. So you know, so I did well in all of those and you know converted those. But I had a bad CAT. Okay. And knowing what I know today, I can tell you that CAT is a gate and not a wall. Let me explain. It is a gate that opens to many possibilities, but wall नहीं है कि वो नहीं हुआ तो आप आगे लाइफ में बढ़ ही नहीं
जा ही नहीं
सकते.
सकते.
ठीक है?
True that.
You have to believe in yourself, okay? And then you have to take a call. You have to take a call saying अब लाइफ में करना क्या है, right?
सही बात है.
Either you pick the best option that you have right now, which is then you look beyond the CAT and you look to say कि okay, before I took the CAT, I wanted to land in these top 6, 8, 10 institutes, but वो नहीं हो रहा है. I am now going to figure out and crack the best option that I have right now that will help me open the doors to a long-term career. Because आप ये सब कर क्यों रहे हो? आप ये सब कुछ कर रहे हो to build a great career. आपका objective B school is a path to a great career.
True that.
Right? आप B school 2 साल 1 साल ही रहोगे. Career आप 30 साल करोगे. It is a path to a great career. That is the end outcome. Right? So you have to make that your goal. Right? If you've not done well on the CAT, you know, I hope a lot of students do, but by logic नहीं होगा ना, मतलब top percentile तो निकलेंगे ही, right? Then you have to say कि okay, what do I need to do to get to that great career? And by the way, if you're not happy with the B schools that you have as options, then you take the CAT again, right? So my advice to students would be, don't treat CAT as a wall. वो gate था, okay? अगर नहीं अच्छे से खुला तो तुम देखो तुमको goal क्या है तुम्हारा? Goal is a great career and figure out the best option that helps you get there. And if you're not happy with any of the options, write the CAT again. And CAT is not the only exam. Today you have NMAT. There are some good options through NMAT. You know, there are some options that open up through GMAT. You know, you have to take a bet behind yourself and say, you know what?
Absolutely.
I will work hard and I will create a great career. B school has to open up the right doors for me. दरवाजा खुल जाएगा, फिर मैं भागते हुए जाऊंगा और मचा दूंगा. Like that confidence you need to have. Yeah.
But you have to keep working hard towards it.
Oh,
You've got to
absolutely.
be in the game.
Absolutely.
I mean, even if you do really good in your B school, that doesn't guarantee you that you're going to have a very good 30 years of career,
Yeah.
right?
सर ये ना ये बात जो आप बोल रहे हो बाद में समझ आती है. तो हमारे साथ ना लाइफ में पेरेंट्स ने बड़ा धोखा कर दिया है. ठीक है, पहले बोलते हैं 10th का पेपर निकाल लो, फिर बोलते हैं 12th निकाल लो, फिर बोलते हैं हम इंजीनियरिंग निकाल लो, फिर बोलते हैं CAT निकाल लो. वो लाइफ में एफर्ट कभी खत्म नहीं होती है, राइट?
बात।
देन व्हेन यू गेट टू वर्क, it is there again, you know, so you have to keep working hard to be at the top of the game.
True
Can you settle and you can say I'm okay with the average career? Yes, you can, and that's a choice that you make.
Absolutely.
But if you want a great career, you want a great work, you'll have to keep working hard throughout your life. Yeah.
True that.
So I think
True that.
career begins, you know, the journey to the career begins after the cat, and बच्चे कहीं ना वहीं पे बौखला के they just kind of lose a lot of confidence, and I hope some of your viewers kind of learn from me on and my experience कि उसके बिना भी कुछ हो जाता है life
Yeah,
में.
definitely होता है, sir. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. There are a lot of kids, they don't do well in CAT, but then they go ahead and, you know, वो जैट फोड़ते हैं, कोई स्नैप फोड़ता है, बड़े भी स्कूल में चले जाते हैं, and then they flourish.
There's no looking back. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. But sir, MBA is the degree. That's what I believe, because we both are in MBA.
Yeah.
So I think मुझे लगता है आज भी बच्चों ने MBA को प्रायोरिटी देनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
Irrespective whatever, you know, market says.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Right. Thank you so very much, sir, for giving some time. You know, pleasure to have you, and would love to connect with you again. And guys, I hope this video was helpful. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो यार like करो, share करो, and do subscribe to the channel also. And if you need any help, or if you want to speak to sir, can get in touch with sir also via LinkedIn. Will that be okay?
Oh yes, sure. Yeah.
Perfect. Then. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir,
Thank
for
you,
having
sir.
me.
Thank you,
And,
sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure doing this. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.